case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The protracted and violent marital dispute at the heart of Commonwealth v. Sands has raised pertinent questions about the interpretation of self-defense law and tested whether a history of abuse can qualify as an imminent threat. The Supreme Court of Virginia presided over the chilling case of Victoria Shelton Sands in 2001. For years, Victoria suffered severe abuse at the hands of her husband, Thomas Lee Sands. The violence escalated from daily beatings to constant threats against her life and her family's. The couple's disputes reached a boiling point when Thomas kept Victoria hostage in their home for 3 weeks. The situation further complicated for Victoria as her attempts to seek help through her parents ended in tragedy with their critical injuries in an unrelated accident. The sequence of events culminated in an altercation which resulted in Thomas's fatal shooting. Despite the turbulent backdrop, the court deemed that Victoria's act was not in self-defense. Thomas was watching television at the moment Victoria shot him, offering no immediate threat to Victoria. This detail ended up informing the court's decision, given the requirement of an imminent and direct threat for a valid self-defense claim. The ruling that the fear of imminent harm must be based on an immediate threat caused a controversial stir. Victoria had initially been convicted for first-degree murder and use of a firearm during the commission of murder in the circuit court. The Court of Appeals of Virginia found error in the trial court's refusal to give her a self-defense instruction for the jury, and therefore reversed her convictions. However, the Supreme Court of Virginia disagreed, noting the absence of an imminent intention by Thomas to harm or kill Victoria at the time of the shooting. The High Court upheld that the premise of imminence within self-defense should indicate that harm is immediate and not merely probable. As a result, the Supreme Court reversed the judgment of the Court of Appeals, reinstating Victoria's convictions. This ruling served as a stark reminder that an individual's bare fear of injury does not validate lethal action under the current interpretation of self-defense law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.